Hello guys, welcome back again. So the today's lecture is about the basic boundary layer theory. My name is Ashim Mukherjee, Assistant Professor of NCERT Engineering College. Today we have deal and the conversation like boundary layer theory and different aspects about the numerical point of view and theory, the most important of CSUT point of view. So the most important we have to learn about today, the topic is boundary layer theory and what about the explanations what we have deal. Okay, so start the video. Let's first. So boundary layer, what is boundary layer? Boundary layer means we have assumed at any solid material at immersed at water, they can strike at the parallel flow. They are the layer at form. At the different layer at form, we step first is laminar, second is transition, and third is turbulent. So this is a very different point of view. We have aspects. I'd assume and another thing like suppose you assume at stand at any crowd. At the number of peoples are standing at crowds, some peoples are moving slowly and some peoples are moving fast, some peoples are staying. So that we have the relevance for these things, boundary layer. Some peoples are moving slowly, that is called laminar, and some peoples are stay, that is called transition, and some peoples are moving fastly, that is called turbulent. They are basically depends on Reynolds number. As we know Reynolds number, this is called fluid mechanics. We have learned about third semester mechanical. Okay. Next is boundary layer theory and definition. A thin layer we have fluid acts at such a way as we have the inner surface, it is fixed at the boundary layer. Velocity of flow in our boundary layer is 0. The velocity of flow will be have to increase rapidly till at the extreme layer. Now third point is the portion which about the outside boundary layer have the value of Reynolds number because of the velocity high stream like flow. So boundary layer is basically depends on the critical thickness about the slope of the section. Means the thinner sections we have the defined as delta and the basic the strip is called definition of breadth. So boundary layer basically also we now have the learned about the different point of view about the mechanical streams like the section of fluid in our the different parallel flow in our the section, in our the stream velocity flow at the parallel flow, in our vertical flow at the immersed at body. Okay, so next is definition of laminar flow and turbulent flow. Laminar means, again we know the first lecture, I recall this, the laminar means takes place along the constant streamlines without turbulence. Means that constant streamlines without any turbulence, like the Reynolds number has crossed to 5 into 10 to the power 5, that is called less than 5 into 10 to the power 5 is called laminar. Other we have called Reynolds number is greater than 2000, that is called laminar, and the cross that Reynolds number 5 into 10 to the power 5, that is called turbulent. Turbulence means the fastest streamline flow velocity. That is another we have called the streamline velocity. Okay. Next is turbulent flow. Turbulent flow is defined as the fluid particles moving zigzag. Means the fluid is moving at faster. So that's we have called the zigzag away with the fluid particles in our course path in our each other. The examples is for river in our the time of flood. Second is flow through the pipe is different cross section area. Okay. Another difference between laminar flow and turbulent flow, asking about CSUT point of view. They are giving about 4 to 2 marks. Very important question. So the Reynolds number is also we have the less than 2000, that is called laminar. Again we have the cross that limit at 5 into 10 to the power 5, that is called turbulent flow. Generally we have the small diameter of the pipes of the low velocity, that is laminar flow, and the extremely we have the alignment of the high velocity is very large diameter flow through the pipe in our turbulent. So the average velocity is our approximately, means the average velocity is approximately and the half of the minimum velocity, that is called laminar flow, The average velocity is approximately equal to the velocity is center of the pipe. Another, the simple aspect, we have laminar and turbulent as compared to laminar means moving through the slowly and turbulent is moving through the faster. That is the basic difference. Okay. Again, very important things. Characteristics of boundary layer. Characteristics is a friction sharing about the turbulence and the strong vertical gradient, vertical fluxes, moment heat, like temperature is the functions of temperature depend upon the heat of the internal energy. And the turbulence means we have the recall that mechanical functions we are strongly shear dot adjust about the condition surface. The main thing is that turbulence is tone stable to be had. The stability have the specification of the boundary layer condition. Okay. Next is boundary layer characteristics of the depends upon Reynolds number. Reynolds number is called initial force divided by viscous force. Also the Reynolds number is the depends upon the density of the fluid flow. In our the X is called the thickness of the strip layer. Okay. Applications of boundary layer. Applications of the boundary layer is very important aspects in our the fluid machinery chapter, like aerodynamics means space, aircraft, rocket propulsion, hydrodynamics, ships, submarine, trapezoids, transportations like the trucks, automation, cycles, wind energy in our the agriculture sectors, ocean energy like the buoyancy of the big waves, water like the cables in our the different panels in our the modern studies. Okay. Again, the Reynolds number, we have the formula getting inertial force by viscous force rho VL by mu. That is important formula at this point of view of the CS video. This asking about 2 to 3 marks, that is important. So boundary layer thickness is very important. Asking about what is displacement thickness about numerical point of view. Delta star is called displacement thickness and delta is called the Archibald is very important topic is 0 to delta is integration is limit of thickness of plate 1 minus small u by capital U. Capital U is called free stream velocity and the momentum thickness is called theta. Again the similarities between these two things, small u by capital U is compared to about the common factor, that is the boundary layer thickness. These two things asking about numerical is very important things. Okay. So equation of displacement thickness, we know that the delta star is 0 delta 1 minus small u by capital U dy. The delta should be the smaller than delta, means the split of the strip the thickness is very small, that's we have the smaller shape and size. Okay. And u capital U minus small u is called velocity defect because the shear stress is directly proportional to the velocity gradient, that is the capital U by capital U minus small u is called velocity defect at the condition of flow rate at ideal fluid. Another, the Blasius equations at the numerical point of view asking about the delta D means delta displacement by x means thickness 1.72 by root over the Reynolds number. Reynolds number is what the thickness is capital Ux by capital V and delta displacement by small d equal to as belong to 0.3 belongs to 0.4. At the rate of the strips of the thickness in our the delta, it is the definition of the section. Okay. So delta D is the displacement about the section. Okay. So we have the next video for the upcoming section. Thank you.